Imagine a journey 6,000 kilometers straight down to the very center of the Earth. You wouldn't find a simple solid rock. You'd find a layered planet with a dynamic, super hot engine at its core. We live on the crust, the planet's thin outer shell. It's a brittle, solid layer that's incredibly thin compared to what lies beneath. Below us is the mantle, the thickest layer by far, stretching down nearly 3,000 kilometers. It's not solid, but a semi-solid rock that flows incredibly slowly, like thick caramel. This slow churning movement is the engine of our planet. Now, geologists have another way of looking at these top layers. The crust and the rigid top of the mantle form a single unit called the lithosphere. This is what breaks into tectonic plates. These massive plates literally float and slide on a softer, flowing layer just below it, called the asthenosphere. This is where the action happens, the source of earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Journeying deeper, we reach the outer core. This is a sea of liquid iron and nickel, constantly swirling. This motion generates Earth's magnetic field, the invisible shield protecting us from harmful solar radiation. At the very center is the inner core. It's as hot as the surface of the sun, yet it's a solid ball of metal. The pressure from the rest of the planet is so immense that it squeezes the iron and nickel solid. But how do we know any of this? No drill has ever reached the mantle. The answer is earthquakes. Seismic waves from quakes act like a planetary X-ray. Some waves can travel through liquids, others cannot. By tracking where these waves go and where they get blocked, scientists have pieced together this incredible picture of our world's hidden depths.